Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. This is JH King. So in this video I'm gonna show you guys how I refresh my braids. Okay, so far, like, I have basically done everything. I just have 4 left, and I just want to demonstrate, to you guys, because I didn't show you guys how I did my buzz braids. Okay, so I did take down the hair, and these are the hair extensions that I use. I'm using the same hair extensions. Okay, so what I like to do is to grab the hair extension and just use my fingers to detangle the hair a little bit, so the hair doesn't tangle up, or if there are any tangles in the hair, I get rid of that before I braid the hair. So this is fine. Okay, so then I will just take these hair sections out of the way, and I will focus on the hair. See, this is the hair that I just took out, and remind you, my hair was in these braids just for 3 weeks. Okay, for 3 weeks I have this amount of dirt underneath my hair. Okay, this is why I like to rebraid my hair. You won't be you won't lose that much hair by the time you're ready to take out your long-term protective hairstyle. And I'm not gonna add no shea butter or conditioner to my hair, because my hair don't really need it. It doesn't need it at the moment. When I'm done, I'm gonna put some hair oil on my scalp. If I leave it, tender fire, tender fire, fire, fire. Baby, if I leave it, me tender fire, me tender fire, fire, fire. I will love for your love. Yes, Lord. Yes, imagine me. And me at all again. Me at all again. Guys, look at this one. The dirt is just too thick, so you just kind of you just have to redo this braid. There is no way, if I left this braid in for the entire 6 weeks, I wouldn't have lost a lot of hair. Okay, because this dirt would have been harder over time, so I'm really glad I'm actually redoing these braids, because and sometimes it's not just dirt or dandruff. Sometimes I think it's because the front portion of my hair was pretty tight. That's why I'm getting this. If you braid your hair too tight, your skin is like the dead skin, basically. So this is not even dandruff, it's just dead skin, because I braided the hair too tight. So I knew that within 3 weeks, see, all this is dead skin. It's not dandruff, this is all dead skin. I knew within 3 weeks I would have to rebraid the front portion of my hair, because it was too tight. So I knew I was gonna have a lot of dead skin. If I didn't redo this hair and I kept the braids in for 6 weeks, by the time I take out the braids, I would have lost a lot of hair. So I always recommend it, if you don't have to know how to braid perfectly, even if it's losing, it's better than nothing, honestly. As long as you can braid, just redo the front portions of your hair, especially when your braids were really tight, because you don't want to lose your hair. Hey guys, so I'm finally done. I'm so excited. The hair looks new. Okay, I like that. I hate when my buzz braids look so old. I just hate that. I always like my buzz braids to look fresh and neat and stuff like that, So yeah, I'm finally done. I gave the ends in hot water, to seal it. And you guys, as you can see, the hair looks new. It looks as if I just, did everything, So let me show you guys how the ends are looking like. I think it even looks better now than it did when I first installed in the hair. So it's still a little bit wet. So yeah, that's how long the hair is now. It's still fine though. I still like it. So now I'm gonna put some hair oil on my scalp. Okay, so yeah, this is a closer up look. Like, I love this brace here. In total, like, it took me about 2 hours, you know, to do everything. That's how the hair is looking like now. It looks so neat and fresh. I love them. Oh, mom inside. Oh, mom inside. Oh, true. Missing my love. Although you would. Oh, baby. Oh, you know that mom. I like this bottle. I got it from my local beauty supply store. It was filled with like oil. You know, I just got it because of the bottle, not even because of the oil. So once the oil finished, I'm just like using it for my own like personal like oil bottle. It's very like, you know, it's cute and it's little. I really like it. So I just pour like oil from my hair care product line in here, and that's what I'm using. This is little, it's simple, cute, so I like it. Oops. So yeah, basically I'm now done. I have oil on my scalp. I've oiled my scalp. So yeah, basically let me just talk about the hair. So what I did is I went around the hair and I redid everything. The back, I redid everything in the back, everything in the sides, and everything up front. I just left about a couple in the middle section that I didn't do, about like 5-6 in the middle section I didn't do, and those, like, it's not really necessary to like do them, because like what I've noticed and realized is like a lot of people tend to lose hair like at the back, on the sides, and on the front. And this is because when you go get your hair braided, even by the you doing your hair yourself, you always want the front of your hair to look nicer, so you tend to make it a little bit more tighter than you make the middle sections, and that's why we tend to lose a lot of hair in the front. And the same thing goes to the back, like you make the back tight as well, because you know you're gonna put your hair in ponytail. So when you put your hair in ponytail, like, you want people to know that the back is cute and stuff like that. The same goes for the sides, and that's why a lot of people tend to lose hair. So basically that's why I redo like the front, the sides, and then the back, and I don't really bother to do the middle. And also sometimes, like when we do braid hair, we tend to take smaller sections for the front and the sides and the back, and then the middle we tend to take like bigger sections. And what I've noticed is, like, if you do take bigger sections, like, you don't tend to lose hair, honestly. But when you take small sections, that's when, like, when the dirt is like stuck in there for a longer period of time, it's hard to separate. But when the section hair is like a lot, it's easier to, you know, separate the hair, and you don't lose a lot of hair. So that's what I've learned throughout my braiding hair life journey. Okay, so yeah, let me know what you guys think, though, if you guys agree with what I'm saying, or if you don't agree with what I'm saying. Okay, it's just my opinion, and that's what I've noticed since I've been braiding hair. So yeah, that's the reason why I always like redo the fronts, the sides, and the back of my hair, and then I just leave the middle, because I don't really lose hair over there. So yeah, my hair, the ends are still, you know, wet a little bit, so it's like fully dry now. So yeah, I just tied it to the back. I'm gonna leave it in like this for, I don't know, however, you know, I feel like. And yeah, these are the ends now. I do like it, and I did my edges. So yeah, I did my edges. So I'm gonna leave this one in for 3 more weeks, and I think that'll be it. I'll take the hair out, and I think my hair is due for trimming, because I felt some rough ends, you know. So I'm definitely going to trim my ends once I take the boss braids out. So yeah, like I said before, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will come back and answer all your questions. If you have any suggestions too, leave them below. And yeah, I will see you on my next video. I love you all, and as always, God loves you more. Bye.